The MCT4 allows the user to back up the configuration and save it to a file for safekeeping in case of system damage. You can also import configurations. First, navigate to the Configuration section by pressing System menu on the home screen. Then Settings. System menu again. Then press Offline. Note that in order to enter offline setup, automated ramp soak program operation and data logging must be manually stopped. Press System menu once again, followed by Configuration. USB is the default setting. To export, first name the configuration. Confirm your USB is inserted into the MCT4 and click Export. To import, first click Load Configuration. Select the configuration file to be imported and select Open. The selected file will display at the bottom. Finally, click Import and Yes. After you have imported the new configuration, you must cycle the power to complete process. For more information on configuration export options, including cloud configuration storage, please consult the user manual.